Hey mathematicians, let's do your homework. Okay, so in our workbook we are on page 11, which should look like this. We've got 6 problems, so let's do them. The first one says, what set contains opposites of the set given below? Sets of numbers are usually listed like they are right here in those fancy braces. And opposites, we've done opposites. The opposite of 4 is -4. So I'm looking for a list that starts with -4. Yep, nope. The opposite of 8, find that. Check that it's in the list. And you'll be able to eliminate your answer choices pretty quickly. Which expression has a value of 84? Fun fact, all of these are going to have an absolute value of 84. You just need to watch your negatives. Which of the following could not be the lengths of the side of a triangle? Remember that in order to create a triangle, side 1, the smallest side, plus side 2, the medium side, has to be greater than side 3, the biggest side. On the back, we're looking at a table of data about a reading contest, and we're looking for the statement that's true. The data does not have a mode. You have vocab cards to tell you what mode is. 20%, I'm skipping the percent. 17%, The least number of books, also called the minimum, you have a vocab card for that. If we eliminate both of those, then we can go calculate our percentages. To find a percent, we need a part. So in B, it's going to be the part, that's the number for homeroom 4. In C, it's going to be the part, that's a homeroom 7 number. And we need the total, so you need to find the total number of books read by everybody. Add them all up to get your total. And then, hint, it's going to be bigger than 100. Then you'll have to simplify to see if it equals, if your fraction simplifies to 20 over 100 or 17 over 100. Number 5, Johnny needs to place a list of 3 integers between -12 and +8 in order from least to greatest. Which of the following lists of numbers should he choose? So F, -3, -2, 9. That goes least to greatest. G, -10, -9, 3. That goes least to greatest. Wait, we can't have 2 lists. -13, 5, 7, also least to greatest. Okay, here's our problem. It's not just asking you for one that is least to greatest. It also needs to only include the integers -12 up to 8. So if there are numbers that are outside that range, that can't be your list. Last but not least, the relationship between the number of books checked out of the library on Friday, which we're calling F, and the number of books checked out on Wednesday, which we're calling W, is represented by this equation right here. Which description best represents this situation? The library checked out 20 fewer books on Friday than they did on Wednesday. Okay, I see the 20. I see a symbol that could be fewer. But I get confused with these types of problems about like which one is Friday and which one is Wednesday. So guess what? We can make up numbers. Choose a number for Friday. Make it up. You want it to be 50. You want it to be 100. You want it to be probably nothing crazy with decimals. Also, you can't check out part of a book. I would choose something easy to work with, like 80. If on Friday there are 80 books, then how many are on Wednesday? Wednesday would be Friday's number, 80, minus 20. On Wednesday, there would be 60 books. So that helps me. I'm not actually looking for an answer that has an 80 or a 60, but it helps me understand right now, Friday number, they checked out more books. More people checked out books on Friday than on Wednesday. So then when I go back here and I say the library checked out 20 fewer books on Friday, I already know that's not true, and I don't need to worry about the subtracting 20. I know that they checked out more books on Friday. So I use that logic to kind of help me reason through and pick my final answer. And now we're done with our homework.